Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to solve a 4x4 Rubik's Cube in a very easy way. If you already how to solve a 3x3, then this will be super simple for you. Don't worry, if you are a beginner, I will explain step by step. Let's get started. Step 1, centers. First step is solving a center pieces. On a 4x4 cube, centers can move, so we need to pull them. Start with white center. Try to make a 2x2 square like this. So now solve the yellow center on opposite side. After that, solve the remaining center: blue, green, red, orange. Tip: always keep opposite colors correct. White, yellow, blue, green, red, orange. When all center are done, your cube should look like a 3x3. Step 2 is pairing. Now we solve S pieces. Each S has two colors. We need to pair them. Find two same colors, a red, white, a red, white. Color is same color as pieces and match them together. Use the simple move. Move one piece to top, bring match pieces, restore layer. Repeat this until all edges are paired. Important, leave one edge unsolved at the end. We will fix it later. Just solve it using your normal 3x3 method. Make white cross. White corners. Second layer, solve middle layer. Make yellow cross. If you already know 3x3, this part is very easy. Step 4. Step 4, parity fix. Sometime you will see a problem that never happened on 3x3. This is called parity. Example, Only one edge is flipped. Impossible on 3 into 3. Use a parity algorithm you can show on screen. Just follow slowly and it will be solved. R U2 R U2 R U2 R prime U2 L U2 R prime U2 R U2 R prime U2 R prime, and done. Use this case. Now you can solve the 4 into 4 Rubik's Cube. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Comment below if you want more cube tutorials. See you in the next video.